Hello guys and welcome to a new video on this channel. So based on your suggestions, I updated aiomatic and added a new feature to it, so it will be able to monitor YouTube channels and get content from them and videos to be used in aiomatic. So aiomatic, as you know, was able to use until now a list of YouTube videos which were added to by you here, and it created nice articles based on those videos. However, now it got improved and you can simply add a YouTube channel URL using this handle marking. So copy the handle URL of a channel and paste it here. You can remove the videos part if you want, and simply save settings. And be sure to add your YouTube API key here in the API keys and the YouTube API key list. Be sure to have this API key added, as if you don't add your YouTube API key here, the plugin will not import videos in the latest order. So no, it will import random videos in random order from this channel. However, if you add this API key to your plugin settings, you will be able to import videos based on their publication time. So to get an API key from Google, click on this link, set up an account, and you will be able to create your API key. Okay, so aiomatic is linked in this video description. Also give it a try. So if we run importing now, we will be able to make the plugin check the latest videos from my YouTube channel and get and generate an article based on the content of my videos. So the nice thing is that it reads also video subtitles, and it generates the content based on the video subtitles. So it is not only focusing on the title and description of the video, but it digs into the video subtitles and gets subtitles, sends it to the AI writer, and it will be able to generate the article that it creates based on the subtitles and closed captions from the video which was created here. Okay, so generating the post might take 1 or 2 minutes, but we will wait this out and see the results, as we will be seeing the results appear here directly on the main page of our site. Okay, so keep in mind that this will work also without a YouTube API key, but in this case the order of the videos will not be defined so good, and I recommend you add a YouTube API key here and it will work better in this case. Okay, so we should be getting our article soon now, and we can also check the activity and logging, and we have here the green check mark and everything is okay. Here it is, an article based on my YouTube channel, and yeah, with a featured image and so on. Okay, so keep in mind that you will be able to get video URLs from YouTube channels, so you no longer need to add the videos manually one by one into this list, but you can simply set a channel URL or multiple channel URLs by handle, and you will be able to get videos automatically from that channel and publish them on your site. So I hope this new feature will be handy to you guys. Aiomatic is linked in this video description. Until next time, this is all for today. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.